Hey guys, how you doing? It's Josh down here at Flippin Tail. I have Yamaha 200s. They are currently 2024 and I've got about 300 hours on them. Today I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on your Yamaha 200s. Alright, first step we're going to do on these engines is we're going to kind of strip them all down. I'm going to pull my cowlings off. Literally just flip these two levers right here. And then there's one right there. And then that cowling is going to come right off. Very simple. It's going to pop off. We're also going to go ahead and take this side panel off. 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw. And then there's 1, 2. And then up under right here there's a screw. These you have to be careful because there's a little square nut back here. Right there. And that will fall off, so just make sure you get that thing out of there. Also, when we take the cowling off, right there is a screw that's going to hold this plastic piece on. Now when we take this off, we can drain the oil out of the engine. We are going to drain the oil now. So to drain the oil, right here. So see, I like to tear off a piece of cardboard, otherwise it just drips down the engine. So that is a 14 metric. Yes. So I use these big monkey wrenches to get the oil filters off and put them on. The kits are nice because they have everything you need. They have even this nice little funnel. So I think all your little pieces in here. Yes. So that's going to be in with your filter. That's just a new crimp washer that goes right there. That's just to keep it from seizing up. Just gonna go right there. Could go right here as a guard. Alright, just like that. We're gonna do the same thing down here. That way we don't crunch up our oil filters. I'm gonna give the old rubber hose thing another trip. So Ryan's up here using the handy dandy cardboard funnel they gave us. There it is. It's beauty. We're gonna start with 4. I do believe it calls for 4.6 liters, but I like to put in 4 and then measure it. Normally you should crank it up so you get oil in the oil filter, and that way you have exactly what you need. So we had the engine tilted to get the oil or the lube out of the lower unit, so when you're testing your oil you need to make sure this is pretty darn level. We've added 4. Now we're gonna go up, see where we're at here. We're way low, so add like half of one. Well, 5 quarts. We took all 5. Means we did a good job draining it. And she's sitting good. She's right there at the halfway point. Oil's good. Hey guys, as always, thanks for checking out the channel. If there's anything that I helped you with today that you appreciated, if you could like and subscribe, it would definitely help the channel and help me bring you some more content. So if you hit that like button down at the bottom, I'd really appreciate it. Leave a comment, ask any questions you may have, and I'll definitely respond to you. Hey, until next time, have a great day.